Overtime, 2 minutes. Kanina po yung bola kanina. Start na po. Dos. 2 points. 33-31. One minute and 49. We have anim plays. Pero sino kayo makakuha yan? Nakakuha, pinigay kayo. 2 points. Dela, all 33 na naman tayo. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 2 points by Kurt Reyes. Dela, all 33. 15 seconds to shoot.
Kaya tayo, laro ka pala Prince.
Laro ka. 2 points. 35-33. By Ellis. Steal. Reyes.
Saan naman kulang sa atin?
16 seconds shot clock. Libre siya sa Reyes. No good. 3-5. Kenneth. To Kuya Bibbs. Kuya Bibbs. Basic move na naman. Wala team off. Grabe. All 35. Last 1 minute. Grabe yun. Foul by jersey number 3, Lance Boko. 17 seconds to shoot. Brian, no good, 3-5. Now then si Kurt Reyes, wala. 30 seconds left, all 35. Demerin, prapas na naman. 2 points, 37-35. Last 24 seconds. Shot out na po tayo. 20 seconds.
Santres lang yan, oh.
17 seconds. Shot out na po yan. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Taking 3.
Wow!
5 seconds left. 2,
1!
1.
Kaya, di nakatawag.
Hindi nakatawag. And of the ball game, panalo ang team